Welcome to our potato plantation. We only paid 170. Good morning guys! Ngayong aga. Nag-asabalutan na naman kami because we are going somewhere new. Baby is there. Go.
Mommy.
You and Papa will sit down there, okay? You and Papa. Hold on na yung Papa. Hold on na yung Papa. Yes.
Good morning.
We are going to a newly opened temple.
Turn right.
It's not temple. It's just like a yoga foundation, something like that. Kind of temple also.
It's newly opened, not like 2 weeks ago.
2-3 weeks. Yeah.
2-3 weeks ago siya na-open.
It's like 80 kilometers from here.
80 kilometers from here. So, mga 2 hours and 30 minutes na biyahe. Actually, we planned to go yesterday. But, we were thinking that Vivek is also coming with us. And he's not available yesterday. So, sabi namin ngayon na lang na Sunday. And then, unfortunately, he has to go to office today also. That's why, hindi din siya makakasama. Naghintay pa kami sa kanya ng Monday. And yung ending, hindi din pala siya makakasama. We have to proceed with our plan. Kahit na, ano na.
It is already 9:30.
9:30. Here I am. How do you do? Napanood ko lang siya para hindi siya umiyak dyan. Bye-bye na ba yan? Bye-bye yan. Bye-bye na ba yan?
Tell me, my baby, what you looking for? If it's the stars in the night sky, I can show you more. To look up into the sky and pray for something, maybe it's you and I. And that's all I'm saying, give these things some time. We're on our way to somewhere. 'Cause baby, with you I'd go anywhere.
Kain muna kami ng brunch. Ano na kasi 11:21. Si Mishka nakakain siya. Kasi binilan siya namin on the way ng Italy. Pero kami hindi kami kumain. So, stop over muna. Mga 30 minutes away na lang kami sa aming destination.
Mommy is coming. Mommy is coming. Come.
Kalimutan si baby. Hotel de Champ Udupi. Baby, sit down. Dapat may upuan din si baby, may upuan din si Mimi. This is our order, guys. This is a sweet bun and this is pada with chutney and sambar. Ito naman curry, veg curry and chutney. Additional order, dosa. Ito lahat yung aming order, guys. And for this, or 4 meals, we only paid 170. 170, right? Ang mura, diba? Kain muna tayo. Where did you buy that?
Daddy.
Daddy bought that for you.
Tell me, my baby, what you looking for? If it's the stars in the night sky, I can show you more. To look up into the sky and pray for something, maybe it's you and I. And that's all I'm saying, give these things some time. We're on our way to somewhere. 'Cause baby, with you I'd go anywhere.
Naglalagay na lang kami ng sunscreen kasi medyo mainit dito na lugar eh.
I think they have constructed the new road here only for this.
Because this is going to be another tourist destination.
A big tourist destination.
Yeah, a big tourist destination.
See, Han, see?
Dito sa Bangalore, guys. Is this man-made?
Not really. Natural.
We can drop by here later, Hana. See? They're going that side, Hana. Now, we are entering the main gate.
I think still in
Still
construction.
under
Is in the process.
construction.
Baby, with you I'd go anywhere. 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 You warm me like the sun right now. There is something.
Tingnan niyo kung gaano kadami yung mga bike, motorsiklo dito. Sa loob, sa labas meron pa. And yung mga sasakyan. Malaki din pala yung parking space dito nila, guys.
I can park here. Take.
Dapat ng kanilang parking space. Tapos doon sa taas, meron din dyan. Hanggang doon. Basta, malaki siya. Pero dito, meron ding entry way. Papasok dito sa yoga center. Ang ganda. It's so big. And the face, I really like the face, Han. I really like the face. It looks so calm and peaceful. Wow, Mimi. Daming tao, guys. And imagine, this is 12:46 ng tanghali. But still, kagaya namin, excited din yung mga tao pumunta dito kahit medyo mainit. That is just waiting. Smile, smile. Snap that smile. Yes. Perfect. Pasok kami sa namin magtanggal ng sapatos. Pumasok kami sa loob guys, but no photography allowed, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon. This is really your like primary god.
Religion, there is no primary or secondary. So you can say that because we call him Mahadev. Mahadev means God of all gods. Like Devo ke Dev Mahadev means God of all gods.
When you come here, there's a parking fee of 50 rupees.
Because it's a car here.
Yeah, come here. We'll wait for Daddy here. Mainit nga lang. If meron lang shade doon sa ground, maganda sana, like magtambay-tambay ka or mag-meditate outside. Kaya lang wala talagang shade. Buti pa dito sa parking lot kahit konti merong mga kahoy. Ito yung main entrance. And kung gusto mong iwan yung slippers mo dito, dyan, meron silang lagayan ng slippers. Pero doon sa loob pwede din guys. Doon kami sa loob nag-iwan ng sapatos eh. Yes. Hindi nakita yung daan dahil sa alikabok.
Rainy day it will be good. It will be green.
Pero ngayon pa summer na eh.
Now it's already summer is starting.
This is potato plantation. Nag-harvest sila ng potato.
See? They are having potato. Fresh potato. You'll ask permission from them.
Yeah, you ask Han. Gusto ko lang kasi ma-experience or makita kung
You're
paano.
not saying potato plantation?
No. Kung paano sila mag-harvest ng potato. Yung potato na fresh from the soil talaga.
Photo.
Take Mishka, Han. Nag-harvest sila ng patatas. Welcome to our potato plantation. Guys. Hi, namaste.
Bihar, Patna. Ali Bangalore like kelsa ಇದೆ.
Anna, kitna kilo hai? How much they are selling?
They are not selling, maybe they are just 50 rupees kg.
50 rupees. 50 rupees per.
30 rupees अभी
We can buy here.
अभी 30 हाँ 30 रुपये
Tingnan nyo guys. Fresh na fresh.
हो ना हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
You want to buy, huh?
Ito pala yung dahon ng patatas, guys. Oh.
Philippines and other country. I'm there.
Yeah. And meron din silang lemon tree dito, guys. Oh. Lemon or lime kasi pag green, 'di ba? Lime. Ayan. And dyan, patatas din dyan. Kasi yung dahon niya pareho. Nimbu. Lemon. Thank you. How many days, Ana?
100 days complete to clear हो जाती
100 days before they can harvest
Growing 100
this
days.
potato. So like 3 months.
3 months, 10 days.
So in a year, 3 harvest.
Nearly 3 times. Only season for December, November to January. Sowing. Highest yield. Potato only per year one time.
One time only.
One time. Every time. Sultan.
Season. During summer, no. Summer season.
Summer is there now.
Some are different plantation maybe. Maybe cucumber, other vegetables.
The other vegetables also.
Either eh. Pag summer, ibang
Flower.
plants or flowers.
Flower.
And pag potato naman, every November to January.
Yes. November to March, up to March.
Up to March daw yung pagplant.
Rose.
Rose.
Red rose.
Ah, meron din silang red rose.
Export permission
Export है?
export वो market को गए तो all over world export
Really?
rose.
In-export nila yung kanilang rose, guys. Can we go there?
Shall we go?
Wow! Hi, goat! Hi, goat! Baby goat, yes.
Baba, see? So many Baba.
Baby goat. Selling ba ya? Moton?
No.
Nay.
Nine.
Nay.
Peacock, huh?
Huh.
Peacock. Come.
Yeah. They also have peacock here, huh? Ah, wow! Peacock and chicken. Don't go near, huh? Only one ba ya?
One. One day, 3 to.
Okay. They were having 3 and 2 died.
See friend. Hi. Say hi to your friend. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
See, peacock. Itutour na lang kami ni Baya sa kanilang rose plantation. Baya, potato eh. Potato pa rin ito, guys.
Potato plants.
Potato plant. When to harvest? When to harvest this? Harvest now?
2 days.
2 days. Oh, okay.
Harvest.
Hi. Ito na yung kanilang mga roses na ine-export. Yeah. Andyan din, guys.
Dania.
Danya?
This one. Dania.
Danya is coriander, no?
Dania.
Ayan, danya or coriander seeds.
This one yellow rose.
Yellow rose. Yellow, red, and pink. How many years this one ba ya? Big roses already?
2-3 years.
2-3 years. Then you have to take it out and sell?
Cutting.
Ah,
Flowers
okay.
only they cut and they sell it.
Ah, okay.
Come.
Nag-tour na talaga kami guys. Hindi naman namin sila kakilala, but they are very friendly. They are very accommodating. Ay, so nice here.
Han.
See? Wow.
He's giving you, like, take it.
It's too big ba ya?
हाँ
Thank you.
Take it.
घर को चलो
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Baya. So big! Binigyan kami, guys. Oh. That's baby cow. Go, love, baby cow. Go, baby cow.
Love.
Baba, baby cow. Hi, baby. See? Baby is there. Hi, baby. Say hi to the baby. Say hi, baby. Flying kiss to the baby. Flying kiss. Ah. That's goat. Baby goat. That's the goat. That's dog. So many animals na ami si Mishka. Hi. Hi, dog. There. Baby goat is there, oh.
Okay na. Okay. Mishka. Yeah, dog. Thank you na.
Touch the baby goat. Where is the baby goat? Mimi. Feeling niya playground dito. She's enjoying with lots of playmates, huh? Wow! See? Baby goat, oh. Come here.
Okay.
ఎవరుగా
See? Okay, Mishka, say
you
bye.
done?
Say bye to God.
Say
bye. Say bye to Akka.
Bye. Hi. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Say bye to baby.
Okay. Meron din daw silang jackfruit.
Say bye to Papa. Say bye.
Say bye to baby goat na.
Bye.
Ayaw umalis, guys.
ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ
Oh!
ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್
She's also scared. Love, only goat. Say hi to goat na. That's baby goat also. Oh. Mimi is enjoying. Oh my God. Her happiness is different.
Say bye.
Say bye to them now. We are going. Doesn't want to go. Hindi ayaw umalis.
हाँ पापा चलो से बाय
Say bye-bye na to baby. Baby goat.
पूरा वाश करो
हाँ ओके चलो लेट्स गो
ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇಟ್
Enjoy.
ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್
This is first time. First time. Slowly lang. Baby goat will get hurt.
love baby
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಕಮ್
हाँ
ಟುಡೇ
today
18 you will become
हाँ
ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ
18 ba ya?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್
Mishka let's go we'll come tomorrow चलो
No.
Mimi, let's go home. Bye, Uncle.
Bye, Uncle.
Bye, everyone.
Ana, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Anna. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to them. Bye-bye, baby. Oh, baby is here. Oh.
Okay, sir.
Sir, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for accommodating us.
Thank you. Say bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ang bait nila guys, as in, binigyan pa kami ng papaya. And tinur pa talaga kami doon sa baba, sa may mga roses. Inunahan namin, tapos meron nang sumusunod. Oh, doon sa taas meron ding nakapark, nagtanong dito kung magkano yung patatas. Wow.
एक पहेली जिंदगी की बूझो तो जाने वो अलबेली ढूंढती है बूझो तो जाने जितना पास तू आती इसके उतना दूर भगाए जितनी इसकी चिंता करती उतना ही ये सताए पहेली है
We're home and dumaan na lang kami para bumili ng pagkain.
Almost 5 maybe.
So ito yung aming rice. This is chicken biryani, Han.
No, this is rice.
Rice lang. Chicken rice. Ay, biryani rice. Biryani rice. And then umorder si Abhinav. Ito. Butter chicken. Ayan. And meron din kasamang raita. And meron din pa kasamang chicken gravy. Ayan. So ito yung tatlong pares ng aming biryani rice. Yung kilo niya guys, itong papaya ay 5.5 kilos. First time ko makakita ganito kalaki. Grabe, ang bigat talaga niya. As in, sobrang bait nila doon sa sa plantation. Binigyan talaga nila kami ng papaya, tapos lemon. Yung patatas naman, 3.5 kilos. So, more than 1 kilo yung binigay nila sa amin. Fresh from the talaga. Fresh from the farm. Wow, that's papaya. Papaya. You wanna eat papaya? Come on. We'll fix the house first. Slowly lang ha. Slowly lang. Potato is of 3.5 kilos, and this, what's your guess?
This is almost more than 3 kilo, 4 kilo.
5.5. That's so heavy. This is my first time to see this big hand and this heavy.
To fix the room, let I do dishes.
Fix what?
Fix the sofa, I do dishes.